Opening control panel, network and internet. Change adapter settings. Here Wi-Fi is enabled but not connected. Wi-Fi is enabled but not connected. Wi-Fi option is missing. Only airplane mode is showing. Solution: open run window, type services.msc. This will open services window. Find WLAN autoconfig service and start the service. Find WLAN autoconfig service and start the service. Now Wi-Fi is connected with internet connection. Subscribe.